Sidhai Police and TSR Jawan were stopped by the people while going to cut down the cannabis plant on Thursday morning. Vehicles of the police were also destroyed. Some of the innocent people were beaten up by police on this day. Incident occurred at Notun Bazar area of Sidhai Police Station. Sidhai Police and TSR Jawan were stopped by the locals while going to cut down the cannabis plant from Notun Bazar area of Sidhai Police Station on Thursday morning. Police issued a latha charge as they were stopped in their works of cutting down the cannabis plants. On the other hand, vehicles of the police were also destroyed. Some of the innocent people were beaten up by police on this day. Police and TSR Jawan entered in the house of the man named Pravin Devarma and beat up his family. Likewise, it is also reported that some of the shops were also destroyed. In the incident, Pravin Devarma's parents were also injured, beaten up by the police.
Party mungai to borok phungo hotat kora 7টা বা 7:30 দিকে গাড়ি ফেলেকা গাড়ি engai 8টা বা 9টা রকমানা SDPU সহ মোহনপুর PS হইতে engai जोंरा साइमिया जों आं माइमि संना नायदों माने engai hotat kora फाइलेव गाड़ी चिन नगाना गाड़ी बथागलायो लाइन के एंगरो लाइन के बसालायो थाना बागै engai आंग थांलायो engai आंग तो बसुकरा थांगा जों नायलिया engai जखनते borok थांमान परे आमते आधा घंटा परे 8টা 8:30 दिके खन गट नांलायखाता Faya koi oro public rokisa jol jak like na unang lai gari rokisa tokrup like ya angkai erpore borok action nahana bagai mane public bai uri like wala like rifik like angkai public jokhon te chini chingle nok kinar ba so kinar chin nok gana hapai ka angkai chini ma babu song nok bijang hap tong mane bong no dog asabai ya koi boi klang thabai kata dog rok sabai gamo to jeng boi tam ni bagai phai boi tam bai borok public bai tam nai chin para bai to borok pun kerei chin para wa habia police ok chin para hap kai jeng saiman nai chin para habia borok eng se lai thang ongai jeng amo saiman thangya ongai tam ni bagai jeng bujang na ba boi kaisa borok police bai public borok just panang lai tong ha jeng to kun ar dos keri bele dosi keri bele eje brise gura nogo tong tong ni amo to kun ain goto aino phan amti kerei ta noga habai bunani amangko obiannya aini klai thangta khana ma kam tin hin khana o sidi tan hin phale ne nga para ta habia saimia bunya yang tan khana nga unang lai kata ngai men ngai jinor gari klang thama ba chungna manja kata nokinar gari am tin no gari to phaika 7 8 9 ta ngai bokokja khana prai no thangka mano 5 6 ta ka thangka pura glass hoite joto bokokja boika ngai borok joli naim bele akon public ba amtei khayo ngai police ba amtei khayo ngai amo to chung nayan thangya chungle tam khaike ba ang amon chana thangta public rok je nai tongnai rok tini je phai tongnai rok borok nuk nai o TV no o channel no norok bo tabuk chini je gotna ang mani norok wan sungnai diki je chungle tam bul khaike ba nong je party mung norok party thani kaisan nogo to habai o party mung norok plus khina nangya bele an mung ke Pravin Devarma Daudra ni para PS Mohanpur dam niko phungni 7টা 7:30 phaika borok gotnang ma ga 8টা 8:30 dike rok ha ani ma babu tayan manai asu dokumalia bujaka sopre bujaka to ngai brijugura biji dokuma ga tai fikung bai bah kala banga mani yakuma.
Innocent people from the village condemned this act of the police surrounding the incident. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.